What force could be so mighty, so destructive, that it has the potential to obliterate cities, alter landscapes, and change the course of history in a blink? The answer lies within the realm of nuclear physics and the creation of the nuclear bomb. Our journey begins in the early 20th century. The year was 1934, and Italian physicist Enrico Fermi conducted a series of experiments which led to the discovery of nuclear fission. This breakthrough laid the groundwork for the development of nuclear weapons, creating a power so immense it was as if humanity had harnessed a fragment of the sun. Fast forward to the early 1940s, in the midst of World War II. The United States initiated the Manhattan Project, a secret research operation aimed at developing the first nuclear weapon. By 1945, the project had achieved its goal, producing the world's first nuclear bomb. The dawn of the nuclear age had begun, and with it came a display of power that shook the world. In August of that year, two bombs, named Little Boy and Fat Man, were dropped on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The devastation was unimaginable. In an instant, hundreds of thousands of lives were lost and the cities were reduced to rubble. Beyond the immediate destruction, the bombs left a lasting legacy. The radiation fallout caused long-term health effects and environmental damage that is still felt today. It was a sobering demonstration of the destructive power of nuclear weapons, and it marked a turning point in human history. In the years following World War II, a nuclear arms race began. The United States and the Soviet Union, the two superpowers of the time, were in a tense standoff, each developing larger and more powerful nuclear weapons. The world watched with bated breath, fearing the prospect of a nuclear war that could potentially end human civilization. Today, the world remains under the shadow of nuclear weapons. While treaties have been signed and efforts have been made to reduce nuclear arsenals, many nations still possess these weapons of mass destruction. The threat of nuclear warfare, while less imminent than during the Cold War, is still a very real concern. To recap, the journey of nuclear bombs started with the discovery of nuclear fission in the 1930s, leading to the creation of the first nuclear bomb in the 1940s. The devastation caused by the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki marked the dawn of the nuclear age. The ensuing nuclear arms race between the United States and the Soviet Union heightened global tensions. And today, the presence of nuclear weapons continues to pose a significant threat to world peace. The story of nuclear bombs serves as a stark reminder of humanity's potential for destruction. It is a testament to the power of science, but also a warning of the dangers of its misuse. In understanding this history, we gain perspective on the world we live in today, and the challenges we face in the pursuit of a peaceful future. As we look to the future, the question remains, what is the future of nuclear weapons? There are ongoing debates about nuclear disarmament, with some arguing for complete abolition, while others stress the importance of maintaining a nuclear deterrent. Meanwhile, in a world increasingly concerned with climate change, the role of nuclear energy is being re-evaluated, as it could provide a clean and abundant source of power. Beyond weapons and energy, there are also potential peaceful uses of nuclear technology, such as in medicine and space exploration. While the shadow of nuclear weapons looms large, the future is not set in stone. It is up to us, the global citizens, to shape it. Let's remember the power of nuclear science, if harnessed correctly, can be a force for good. As we move forward, may we do so with wisdom and caution, guided by the lessons of history and a commitment to peace.